In a car crash and not sure who you can trust? Well, you want to choose a law firm with a track record of success and a reputation for integrity. So I can tell you who not to trust. Do not trust the other party's insurance company. It's their job, literally their job, to try to pay you the smallest amount possible to maximize the value for their shareholders. That's literally, they get paid bonuses by how little they pay you and others like you. So don't trust them. Now, what you want to do is find an attorney that you can connect with. Usually it's by the telephone of the initial consult, and you need to talk to the attorney. Now, you can talk to their staff at first, but they need to transfer that call to the attorney because you need to make sure you connect with the attorney. Because ultimately, the attorney is going to be advocating for you, not the case manager, not the intake coordinator, not the intake specialist, not the paralegal. You need to talk to the attorney. And don't let some law firm, giant billboard or fancy commercial, that's not how we do things here, but the case manager is the number one. No, you need to talk to an attorney. I will tell you this, I get calls all the time. Well, Mark, I thought I had an attorney. I signed up, but it turns out I only signed up with the case manager, and the attorney looked at my file, he didn't want it. So now I'm back to square one. Don't do that to yourself. Or even worse, you hire an attorney through their staff in another state, and the attorney is a lame duck, doesn't know what he's doing. It's his first year out of law school, or maybe it's his 15th. Well, this is his first year doing injury law. You don't want that. You need to make sure you have a connection with the attorney. You need to trust that person, and they need to make sure they're going to do a job. So ask friends and family for referrals. Check online reputation. Check Google reviews, Yelp reviews, Facebook reviews, all that stuff. You need to figure out what's going on. If the attorney has a YouTube channel, it's a pretty good idea whether or not you are going to connect with them because they're seeing how they talk. Anybody can put up an act for a 1, 2, maybe even 3 videos. But if they have hundreds of videos and that's how they always are, that's probably a real deal. So figure out what you're looking for and then try to find it. And be sure you talk to the attorney. Do not settle for talking to the staff, even if they have a fancy title. Senior paralegal in charge of intake operations for the Midwest. Talk to the attorney. Communicate with the attorney.